Hello everyone, I'm Anish from VaxChain. We are a deep protocol that ensures vaccine authenticity and safety. So here I'll go through over the pitch deck and also a small demo of our web application and the hardware. So what is the problem statement? There is no reliable way to ensure a vaccine's authenticity and optimal handling. And this has been a problem for many years at this point. So we have seen during the pandemic there has been fake vaccines. Vaccines have not been stored properly, and this has caused a lot of fatalities as well. So yeah, this is a pretty big problem. So here's VaxChain. So how does VaxChain work? So vaccines are manufactured and a batch is created on the blockchain by the manufacturer. Now also the metadata like the price, the temperature range it should be stored in a set, and then a buyer that is a distributor will purchase the batch and will store it in like a fridge or something, and then the sensor will log the temperature on the blockchain periodically. So when the doctor comes to buy the vaccine, they can, if the temperature was within range and everything was fine, the storage was fine, then they will pay the cost for the vaccine as well as cover the cost for storage, which will be a reward for the distributor basically. And in case the things were like the vaccines weren't stored properly, then the stake will be slashed and the batch will be marked as defective. So who benefits? So the manufacturers benefits because VaxChain helps the manufacturers keep the counterfeit vaccines away. Distributors benefit because they get rewards for the proper storage of the vaccines, and doctors benefit because they can make sure that the vaccines sold to them are not damaged and they're authentic. So you must be wondering why we're using Solana. Obviously, it's a blockchain. We also have SPL token standards, so that makes making a token easy. And there's a vibrant deepen ecosystem as well with players like Helium Network, and we can also use the IoT services provided by Helium for our IoT sensors. And Solana also has low fees and high speed, which makes it the perfect blockchain to use. So what is the tech we're using? Currently, we're using a DHT22 sensor and a Raspberry Pi, but we plan on going for a cheaper board like a USB32 and also adding RFID tags and those sensors to make sure the vaccines are not moved while in storage. So that'll just increase the security. And we also plan on integrating with Helium's LoRaWAN network. So what is the Wax token? The Wax token is a token which will be used for giving out rewards to the distributors basically, and if the vaccines are incorrectly stored, they will be slashed and burnt. So what are our future plans? We will launch the MVP this month, and we're also going to be working on finalizing a tokenomics, the mobile app, the web app, and also like the hardware. And then we plan on launching on the mainnet early next year. So that's our plans. Here's the team. That's me, Anish. Sahil is a backend engineer, and Arushi is a designer. So let's go over the web app really quick. It's there at vaccine.xyz, so you can visit that and start using it. So let me go to the dashboard, and this is a manufacturer wallet, so I can create a new batch. Let me just create one really quick. So once the vaccines are created, this is the batch page. Here you can like see the QR code. This is the unique identifier for a batch, and we also have one for each vaccine. The QR codes must be adhered to the batch and the vaccines. We plan on moving to RFID later on, but this is our current product. So this is how the distributor buys the batch. They log in with the distributor wallet, and they can put in the batch key or scan the QR code and click on buy. Once the batch has been bought, the distributor will be updated. Now let's see the hardware part. So right now we have a Raspberry Pi with a DHT22 sensor, which is recording the temperature and logging it, as you can see there. Right now it's on an open enclosure, but later on, ideally it's going to be put in a fridge or somewhere the vaccines are stored. So once the logs have been made to the blockchain, they're also visible in a dashboard. So here's how it'll look like. And you can see that it's also like a not defective batch because all the logs were made correctly. So now the doctor can buy the batch. Let me show you how. So to buy the batch, they'll just click on buy batch and put in the batch key and click on buy. Once the batch has been bought, you can see that the doctor has also been updated. So that's it for the demo of our VaxChain MVP right now. And yeah, have a nice day. Bye.